Hello and welcome to Fatplants.net. The goal of Fatplants is to develop a one-stop shop community web resource for all data pertaining to enhancing oil content in plants to leverage data generated from this project with curated forms of public data, other funded websites, and the literature that corresponds with those. Basically meaning that this is where we want you to go to be a one-stop shop where you can find all of your fatty related protein data and needs in a one-stop shop style format. As you can see here, this is the homepage where you can find some basic info about the entire site. To start, you have the toolbar at the top with a variety of tabs such as Home, Data, Search, kinda whatever. These will all be explained in further detail in future videos on the respective web pages. Just below the toolbar at the top, you can find a few transitioning slides that have links to other sections in the website along with a brief description of that section. You can either wait for the slides to rotate or you can click one of the white circles to choose one of them specifically. Below that, we have the one-stop shop search section. These each link you to a different portion of the tools section of the web page. And then up next is a section that provides a brief explanation of the platform. Just below that is the problem statement, which is basically increasing seed oil content, the issue that the platform is intended to mitigate and solve. On the right side of the screen right here, there is the problem statement, like in the project aims. Basically, in other words, a short explanation of how the site is intended to help mitigate and solve those problems that are currently being faced. And then finally, at the bottom, you have a section dedicated to links to recent news and relevant research papers. On the left is the news, and these are relevant informations about advances or progress in the field. On the right side, you'll find research paper related to seed oil content. For both of these, there are arrows above and below to the top and bottom icons, respectively. With such, you can scroll through the news and papers and look at other things that have been posted for seed oil content research. Moving on to the team page, we'll begin with the investigators. These are the researchers involved with the project as a whole. As you move down the page, you will see the principal or lead investigator and all of the co-investigators along with their names, their email, their role in the project, the university or research lab that they're affiliated with, and then some brief information about them, like their accomplishments or whatever else. After that, in a similar style, we have the developers. The developers are the ones who are involved in updating and maintaining the website and its database. Much like the investigators, the developers' name, email, project role, university affiliation, and then their brief information or accomplishments can all be found about all of these members of the Fatplants.net team. That concludes the tutorial for the homepage and team pages. Thank you guys for watching. If you're looking to learn some more about other sections of the website, simply click on that website section and there will be a link to additional tutorial videos for that part, along with a FAQ page that is associated with it.